It's Moderate Reading Challenge where students work together with a team of 3 or 4 kids to read the nominated books. At the end of the year, after everyone's read the books, we have a friendly competition where you'll answer questions about the books and compete with other students in your same grade level. So how do I become a member of a team? Everyone is invited to participate. This is for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. You can form your own team by talking to kids in your class or other classes in your grade level, or if you need help forming a team, let me know and I can help you form a team. We'll hold meetings once a month just to check in on each team's progress. You'll have time to talk to your team members about the books, fill out the graphic organizers. They'll be in the Media Center on Wednesdays. Here are the dates and the times. What should you do after you finish reading a book? Probably jot some ideas down as you're reading, kind of as a study guide. And then when you're finished reading the book, you're going to go to the Battle of the Books website, which I'll show you in a minute. Make a copy of the Book Look graphic organizer template and then fill it out. You'll share it with the rest of your team so that they can see your details about each book that you've read, and you'll be able to see theirs. What kinds of questions will we answer at the competition? All of the questions will begin with, "In which book?" and then we'll give some more details. We won't use proper names, specific settings, quotes from the book. Sometimes will be used, but they will be questions where you actually have to have read the book in order to answer the questions correctly. So we have a Battle of the Books webpage. What you're going to want to do is visit our Poplar Bridge webpage, click on Media Center on the left side, and then under the student links, there is a link for Battle of the Books. Click that, and it will take you to our Battle of the Books webpage. Over here is your team checklist, which is sort of like your headquarters we'll talk about in a minute. The Book Look graphic organizer is here to link there. We have the competition rules, and then if you need directions for how to get templates or share templates in Bloomington Apps, you can click the link that's at the bottom. So the reading checklist. After you read a book, you are going to type your name in the box to show you read it. You'll fill out that graphic organizer to tell details about the book, and then that will be hyperlinked to your team's reading checklist sheet. There are directions for hyperlinking, so you'll be able to do that. So here's what that team checklist looks like. So all of the books are across down one column. So if you read the book, you type your name here and then highlight it and hyperlink your graphic organizer to there so other kids in your team can look at it. So this is really, think of it as like your team headquarters of who's read which books. The Book Look graphic organizer, again, after you read each book, you're going to fill out this graphic organizer just to review key points. You can use it to compare notes and study before the competition. This is what will get hyperlinked to your team's headquarters page. The graphic organizer has 2 pages. You'll write your name, the book title that you read, the author of the book, and the genre. And then here's where you're going to take the notes about who are the characters, about the setting, the plot. You can always add more numbers if you need to add more. And then the other part of it is what was the conflict in the story and the resolution, and then what do you think is the theme or the author's message. There's also a spot at the bottom to add any other tidbits that you think might be questions at the competition, any other kind of quirky things that you just want to remember about the book. Once the competition gets closer, we will go over the official rules. But there will be 2 rounds during the competition. There's going to be a preliminary battle round and then a buzzer round. One winning team per grade level will be named by the end. All right, so then getting and sharing the templates. When you are on the Battle of the Books webpage, you're going to click the template that you want to use. Now keep in mind, only one person on your team needs to start the team headquarters, the book checklist page. They will share it with everybody else on your team, so just one of those. But every time you read a book with your Book Look graphic organizer, you will be the one to click the template. So go to the Battle of the Books webpage, and then once you click the link, you're going to click the Use This Template button. You will need to be signed into your Bloomington Apps. Don't forget at isd271.org, you need to have that there if it's not autofilled. Once the template's open, you're going to click the name where it says copy of, and then delete where it says copy of. So it just will say MHL BOB book checklist, and then push OK. Your document is now renamed and will be in your Bloomington apps. The sharing settings you'll need to share with the people on your team. In the top right corner of your document, you'll click the blue Share button and then click under Invite People, type your team members' names in, and you'll click Save and Share and then Done, and then everybody else on your team will have access to your Book Look graphic organizer. If you have any questions, please stop by the Media Center. Ask me, and I hopefully will get lots of kids signed up. It should be a fun club to be a part of this year. It's our first year. We'll see how it goes and then determine if we're going to continue to do this in the future. Thanks, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.